G'day, trumpet players around the world. I want to introduce you to a student, Monte. Monte's been studying with us for 3 months inside of the Precision Brass program, and I want you to check this out specifically on him playing Charlie Do before and after. Check it out right now. That was before, and here's 1 minute and 42 seconds after we made some alignments with his embouchure and his breathing. What was that? That was great. Wasn't that like 90% better than 30 seconds ago, Ryan? And all
Definitely.
we did was
I'm loving it, man.
Those
octave slurs are tough. Hey, you're getting it though. You're nailing it.
100%. So how did that feel that time, Monte?
It felt different.
Now, inside of Precision Brass here, there's not just one person. There's a whole team and whole ecosystem, something that I'm building where people can get feedback, accountability, and go from struggling at high Cs like Monte with this frustration like this.
Donut.
To literally going from a G to a high C, working on pressure distribution and airflow. Listen to the change.
Oh, what the hell am I doing?
There's high C.
So as soon as you started to think about the air and the tongue, you popped a fifth above the note that you wanted, which is a happy accident. Congratulations.
That was clean.
What did I do differently?
What do you mean, what did you do differently? You tell me what you did differently, because that was beautiful.
Okay, it's, I've played trumpet for over 50 years, so it's kind of, it's kind of weird when I do something different than I've been doing for a long time.
What? It's weird that you get instant results? I don't think so. You did it. What you did is, if we had to summarize it. Now, I'm not going to tell you what we did to Monte or what he did for his embouchure because everyone's different. But what I will say is that at Precision Brass, I'm going out of my way to help everyone. Imagine what it's like to be able to get trumpet lessons from not one, but two professionals at the same time with a keen sense of eye in the vertical alignment system, your body's anatomy, and what should be happening, so that when you play the trumpet, you can have not 2 eyes, but 4 eyes looking at you, optimizing it. Imagine how much faster you'd be able to get to that. And then imagine the ability to re-watch that lesson for the rest of your life to be able to absorb and see what was happening rather than walking out the door and never being introduced to the concepts again. Or God forbid, one of us passing on and you don't have the opportunity to reach back out and ask. Imagine what that would be like. Having someone watch you and held your hand every step of the way to discovery and a rediscovery, and then having that knowledge for the rest of your life. If you're interested in such a thing, all you have to do is click the link below and find more about the vertical alignment system and find out about Precision Brass and what I've created inside of my company. All right, everyone. See you on the catch side.